centers of excellence worthy of those who seek to create significant bodies of work. These restless few demand the pieces they commission to be truly spoken for. Bespoke is a true collaboration between patron and artisan, where conception starts with a single line on paper. Character builds in this space free of the constraints of time. These endeavors exist in a place unburdened by measurable limitations, where creativity knows no compromise. The vision, sculpted by the hands of masters of their art, every line refined, every surface shaped, where time-honored craft realizes tomorrow's vision with precious care for what has stood the test of time. To establish legacy, vision must be realized. The form must be mastered, the material manipulated, the cloth cut, the metal forged with care and honesty. Melded by expert hands and overseen by the master's eye. Perfection exists in the exquisite details, down to the very last stitch. The most complex request is realized with no concession to compromise, and absolute devotion to understanding the will of the patron. Materials appointed with exceptional care and executed with only the deftest of touch. Every element culminates in perfect harmony. This is contemporary coach building, a movement shaped by the House of Rolls Royce for over a century. Defined by a commitment to satisfying the desires of those who value rarity in only its most authentic form. This is Rolls Royce Bespoke.